favorite dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back again with one of your favorite type of videos. Now today I partner with Hot Miami Styles, which is actually one of my favorite stores because they have all the trendy, really cute, really sparkly, really extra items, which is perfect for summer. And you already know I had to come and slay this haul, y'all. I cannot wait to share what it is that I picked up. So if you want to see what it is, stay tuned. Yes. Okay, girl, can I just tell you how you feel like a little workout angel? Like if Barbie had a workout outfit, this would be her outfit. Like this outfit will snatch you, honey, because it pulls you in because it is high waist, which is really nice. It's super stretchy, which is really surprising. You already know I got little ankles and I really do wish that it was a little tighter on my ankle, but it doesn't look bad, okay? So I adore this outfit. I know it's an extra, but like I said, I made a disclaimer at the beginning of this video, your girl likes extra, okay? So again, it's like a leisure set, like an athleisure set, but it's really stretchy. It feels really good. I don't believe it's see-through. I really never know until I'm out in the sun, but you can always wear boy shorts underneath if it is, like black ones or black thongs or something like that. But yeah, I absolutely 100% love this outfit. Okay, let's talk about it. So I got this skirt in a size medium and the top as well because normally whenever I get midi skirts like this, sometimes they make me look extra wide and I didn't know what kind of fabric this was. So I figured I should get a medium, that way it can kind of hold me in. This material isn't just spandexy, it's like really thick. So one thing I can say with Hot Miami Styles is that their clothes, they're a little bit better quality than some of the places you've seen on my channel before. So they're really thick. This is thick and it's definitely not see-through. But because it is thick and because I got a medium, your girl had to like kind of walk around like this for a little bit. But I mean, after wearing it for a while, it does have like that stretch to it. So it kind of feels a little bit more comfortable. Just wanted y'all to know my measurements. I'll put in the box down below. But this one is a medium. And to be honest, I don't mind how it fits. So okay, so I'm not going to do too much modeling in this because I do not want my video to get flagged. But obviously, as you can see, it is a high cut bodysuit. I think it fits me pretty well in the chest area. I'm like a double D, I believe, so I'll put my bra size and stuff down below, but they hold me pretty well. I love that these are adjustable straps. The back has your back out, but it's not too much out, so it kind of camouflages any kind of back fat. Y'all, this is really cute. It's like a really cute, sexy teddy. But obviously, you want to wear it with an outfit. A lot of girls wear it with jeans. You can wear it with a skirt. You can wear it under like a business suit. I mean, the way that I'm going to wear it is with jeans. These little things. I mean, I don't know. I want to get this in every single color. These are leggings. They look stonewashed. They're super stretchy, super comfortable. Obviously, I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these because they feel so amazing on. Obviously, they're like legging jeans, but they're not thick at all. So hopefully they're not see-through. I won't know until I go out in the sun, but I definitely plan on wearing these with like, if I wear a tank top like this, I would wear this together. I'm not even gonna lie. I'll wear this together with some sneakers and like a lightweight duster if I'm running errands. I can wear just a white v-neck shirt tied up in the front with a duster. I would definitely have something to cover my booty because, I don't know, I just feel like these are super tight. And because they're leggings and not jeans, I wouldn't just wear a shirt. Y'all, I can't even lie. This is really risque. I feel like a dancer, like an entertainer in this outfit. Like, coming to the stage, we got Chrissy the doll. Like, honestly, that's how I feel. But that just means it's super duper sexy. These colors are so pretty on camera. Let me put it on with this cover up. Whenever I think summer, I always think tropics. Whenever I think tropics, I think fishnet, I think crochet. So let me throw this on top. Ooh, okay. You see, now I could possibly rock this bathing suit because of the cover up. Ow. But no, I like it with the cover up. You see what I'm saying? Like, I get to wear all the colors. You get to see the sex appeal. You may see your girl on Instagram. Make sure you follow me rocking this in the next couple of weeks or so. Okay, so this is the other cover up. This is so pretty. Like, can you get into the bling? Look. Who doesn't want to be shining going down the freaking beach? So it's kind of see-through, as you can see. Ooh, I love this. It goes really far down. I got this for a few reasons. So I can wear this with a bathing suit. Imagine an all-white bathing suit and you just come out looking real angel-like, real godly-like. Now, I like this dress for a few reasons. Now, I believe I got this dress in a medium. Again, I'll put all size details down below. But the reason I got this in a medium was because of the back. So look. As you can see, it's completely open back, which, you know, we got a little fat down here, but girl, who cares? I'm gonna be stunting and slaying in this white, okay? But anyways, I can't wear a bra. I had to get a medium dress because I just figured it was gonna be kind of tight to my body as it is, but it's not like too tight. So when you have like a dress that's one size smaller than you, typically it'll still fit, but it'll fit snugly. So to me, it fits snug enough where I can kind of situate my girls where they need to be and not have to worry about wearing a bra at all. It has ruching. As you can see, it has just extra fabric on the top, which gives you like this ruching detail. So if you're worried about going a size down and then it not fitting or being too tight on your belly or whatever, don't worry about it with this dress. It has the back detail, which I love. It's a basic white dress, but it's so chic, it's so cute. As you can see, it has like the line going down your booty, so it makes your booty look good too, because you also have the ruching back there. So again, the duster, because you know, a lot of times when you party, usually it's at nighttime. So look, we could kill them, baby. We got the white on white. Okay, get into this. It goes all the way down to the floor, y'all. Like, I feel like a goddess. Imagine your face, hair, shoes, bag, like the whole nine. Like, you would feel really good. Okay, y'all, now I told you this haul was sexy. Like, I wasn't kidding you. You're probably thinking like, oh, okay, cute. You got it on a little tie-dye, a little side, low-cut boob action maxi dress, right? No, baby girl. It's super sexy. Do y'all see how low this back is? Look how low this back is. This isn't sexy. You can see your whole body, like, basically. I'm telling you, y'all, this is a sexy dress. Adjustable straps, I can possibly make this come up higher and see if I can set my girls there. But altogether, this dress also smooths you. It's very thick. And the reason for that is this. Look. There is an underskirt that's connected. And it goes all the way down. So it's not see-through. It's really thick. So, I don't know. I like it. It goes all the way down to my feet. Also practical. I would wear this, like, even though, listen, I've said it 100 times, I'm gonna say it again. You dress for yourself. You put on what makes you feel good. Don't worry about what anyone thinks about you. They'd be like, oh, if they're making your size, don't mean that you can wear it, you should wear it. Blase, blah, girl, bye, okay? So yeah, I would rock the hell out of this. Love this. I can't wait for it to get warm and stay warm. I will rock this. Like being on the beach, walking down a boardwalk. Imagine being with your boo. Your boo's not gonna be able to keep their eyes off of you. Don't got a boo? No problem. Every time you walk by a mirror, you're gonna be like, ooh, girl. This is a confidence booster. I feel like this whole entire haul is a confidence booster. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep bringing it because I am going to do a giveaway. So this outfit is a jumper. So it is a one piece, as you can see, all the way down. It's one piece. The material is really stretchy. I will put my hip measurements in the box, so if you don't think you can fit it, don't enter unless you got someone you would want to gift this to. Okay, so in order for you to enter, all you have to do is add me on Instagram. You have to like 3 of my pictures and then come back to this video, comment that you're done, and put your Instagram handle. That way I can check. That is it, okay? So I will randomly pick a winner based off of the comments, and I will let you dolls know who won. So good luck to everyone. Super upset I gotta let this go, but I know it's gonna go to a good home and you dolls are gonna kill it, whoever the winner is. Okay, dolls, so that is it. You can't tell me this haul wasn't bad. Like, I love every single haul I've ever done with Hot Miami Styles. And the reason for that is because I like my clothes extra. I like my clothes sexy. I like my clothes tight. And even though I'm super curvy, plus size, thick, whatever you wanna call it, these clothes fit. So I'm gonna put my measurements of my actual body down below in the box to help you dolls shop a little easier, as well as the links and the sizes to everything that I got. Of course, I'm going to look for a coupon code, try to hook you dolls up. But if you've shopped Hot Miami Styles before, leave a comment down below. Let the other Diva dolls know how your experience was, because shipping was okay for me. The actual products came as I expected, and in fact, better quality. The prices are fair. I mean, I can't find anything to complain about with this company. So please, if you shop Hot Miami Styles, let everybody know what you also think. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, please. Share this video with a friend. If you don't subscribe to this channel, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell. It's free. I also have a fitness and a vlog channel, so I'll put those links down below in the box as well. And that's really it. I do have an Instagram and a Snapchat. My name is @CRYSTALCHANEL. Go ahead and follow your girl there, because honey, you need to trust and believe I'm going to be slaying on the beach somewhere in these items, okay? So again, I just want to thank you dolls all for your support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.